Okay guys, welcome and thank you for viewing our Hyundai Santa Fe Highlander we have here. This one here is top of the range, got the front parking sensors, projector headlights and the daytime running lights. Down through the front you get alloy wheels and plenty of tread on those Continental tyres. Come down from the side, it's in excellent condition, 360-degree camera, and throughout inside it's in beautiful condition with the birthday leather and the sunroof as well. Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, heated and cooled seats as well. As you can see through, you got your third row seating behind. All the trim is in excellent condition all the way around. Electric tailgate as well. 2.2 turbo diesel and 2 keys, as you expect. Down to the side in great condition, blind spot monitoring, and coming through inside, travel 38,000 Ks, heated and cooled seats, and all the features you expect. Feel free to contact us. We do have a range of finance and protection plans available, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.